Do you want to know the secrets to having good English pronunciation and speaking English clearly and confidently? My name's Shane and I have been teaching English for more than 7 years to hundreds of students from all over the world. Students with the clearest English pronunciation know 2 things. Number 1, they know how to make every sound of English. Number 2, they know to use English sounds when speaking English, not sounds from their own language. That's why I made the English pronunciation course. This is a 4-hour step-by-step course for improving your pronunciation skills so you can speak English clearly and confidently like a native speaker. In this course, you will learn how to make every sound of English, just like a native speaker. You will also learn how to reduce your accent when speaking English. If you know how to make every sound of English, you can pronounce this word correctly, this word correctly, and every single word in English correctly. You will learn the sounds by seeing charts showing you where to put your tongue when making English sounds, close-ups of my mouth, practice words, minimal pairs, practice sentences, pronunciation exercises, frequently asked questions, common mistakes, quizzes, revisions, MP3 downloads, daily practice activities, much more, and every video has subtitles to help you understand. If you never practice your pronunciation in English, your pronunciation will never get better. You don't have to be frustrated with English pronunciation anymore. Click the link in the description below to join the course and start speaking English clearly today.